Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm taking you straight into the future of luxury travel with the stunning 2026 Dacia Motorhome, a vehicle that's not just built for journeys, but for unforgettable experiences. This is where innovation meets imagination, and trust me, Dacia has outdone itself this time. From the outside, it's impossible not to fall in love. The sleek, aerodynamic shape looks like it's gliding even when parked. That deep metallic paint gives it a mirror-like shine, reflecting everything around it with elegance. And those large tinted windows, they add a bold, mysterious touch that makes you wonder what kind of luxury hides inside. Spoiler alert, the inside is even more breathtaking. As soon as you step in, you're surrounded by premium materials and high-tech comfort. The seats are wrapped in soft, high-quality leather, with built-in massage and heating functions to make every mile feel like first class. Ambient lighting lets you set the perfect mood, soft and calming for quiet nights or vibrant and energizing for lively gatherings. And the panoramic glass roof. It's like bringing the sky inside with you, whether it's clear blue skies or a blanket of stars. Technology flows through every inch of this motorhome. The fully digital dashboard feels like a futuristic command center, putting everything from maps to entertainment at your fingertips. And yes, it responds to your voice. Just say what you need, and the motorhome handles the rest. Whether it's adjusting the temperature, opening the sunroof, or even brewing a fresh cup of coffee, it's all possible. Powering all of this is Dacia's latest hybrid electric system, giving you strong performance with a smaller carbon footprint. Smooth, silent drives, better efficiency, and the freedom to explore farther, it's all part of the package. And for those who love off-grid adventures, the solar panel roof keeps you powered up wherever you park, turning sunlight into energy for your journey. The kitchen, oh, it's a masterpiece in itself. Compact, but smartly designed, with appliances that respond to voice commands and enough space to cook everything from quick snacks to full meals. It's not just a kitchen, it's your personal culinary studio on wheels. Safety is next level too. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome comes loaded with features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera that makes parking effortless, even in the tightest spots. Even the showroom where this beauty stands feels like it was made for legends. Polished marble floors, brilliant spotlights, and reflective glass walls make sure every angle shines. And when you see that glowing Dacia logo, you know you're looking at the future. So if you're ready for a new era of travel, where luxury meets adventure, and technology meets freedom, this is your sign to follow, subscribe, and stay tuned. The 2026 Dacia Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle waiting to happen.